We represented a man who was in his very early 30s who had mesothelioma, which is a cancer that surrounds the lung. And it takes decades to develop mesothelioma from exposure to asbestos. And most people get exposure on their jobs back in the 70s, 80s, 60s. But he wasn't even alive then. He was born in the 1980s. So we had to figure out, well, how did he even get exposed? And so we had to go back and talk to his parents. And it turns out his dad worked around a place where they were working on cement pipes, which have asbestos, a large amount of asbestos. So then we had to go figure out who he worked with and talk to them and find people from 30 years past, find them, interview them, get their deposition to prove that this young man was exposed to enough asbestos from the clothes that his dad brought home from work to cause his disease. It was a very difficult case, and I didn't know if we were going to win. We went all the way to trial, and in the middle of trial we settled.